Okay, good. You can look inside the box if you want and take a look. Take a look at that guy. Well, there's a lot of shit in there, so. Okay. Well, I couldn't expect anything more out of him this morning. He looks good. He looks alert. And again, we want to hold these wings close together so that he doesn't get out of control. I know. Come here, you. Come here. All right. Water. There we go. So first. I got a good bite. All right. See if we. Okay, so what I'm going to do is put my fingers in there and open that up a little bit. Oh my God, he's got a good bite. And get that shrimp down in there. There. All right. Give him a little bigger one this time. All right, come here. Here we go. Yeah, he said good. Likes the shrimp. All right. There's a nice fatty for you. He won't take it on his own, so I'm going to grab his finger like that, spread it out, put one finger in to hold it open, and then get this down in there. All right. There we go. Good vittles. All right. A little bit of water. There we go. All right. And now another fatty. See if he'll take it on his own. No? Come on. No, got to use the same approach. He's not getting it on his own. All right. Get my finger in there. Sacrifice the finger. There we go. Yeah. All right. Take it on your own? No. Come on. No. There you go. Isn't that beautiful? He's a juvenile. Doesn't have its white color yet. Or she. Don't know what I got here for sure. Come on. Yeah. You know the routine. There we go. Nice. A little more water. Okay, I'm going to put him back in the box, and now we'll transport him to the veterinarian. Come here, buddy. Oh, no, you don't have any right. Okay, Seagull is in the van. Seagull inside. Do not open. Off to the vet. Wolf Hollow suggested I come over with it. Yeah. And it's doing well. I caught it last night. It's a juvenile bird. Okay. And as of this morning, I got it up and was able to get some water in its gullet with my finger and feed it some shrimp. I had to force feed it, but it ate it. So I guess they're going to have a volunteer come over here and pick it up. Okay. Is that okay?
Yeah, we can follow them. Injuries or anything?
No signs of injury. His two wings both hang a little bit low to the ground. Do you mind if I shoot a little video of this?
Sure.
Is that all right? Okay. These are the wonderful people at Fidago Animal Medical Center that are taking in this seagull. Okay, good. And so I guess both of its wings hung a little bit low to the ground. They didn't appear to be broken.
Okay.
He just appeared to be unable to get himself off the ground, whether it was energy or whether they were broken, I don't really know. But I held them, and they feel normal. I was able to hold them against his sides, and they folded in normally.
Okay.
Okay?
Gotcha. All
And
right.
I have some shrimp here because I'm sure
Sure.
it has an appetite.
Wow, he's not gonna want to leave that.
Right.
Yeah. And I own a CompuMatter down the road, and there's a blanket in there that's mine. If you think of it, fine. If you don't worry about it. The seagull can have it.
Do we have your information to give you a call?
Sure. I don't have a card on me. All right. Thank you. Off it goes. All right. Beautiful.